We have with us the talented girls of Bini! Hello!
Hello po.
Happy Grand Pantropico Day! Yes! Anong pakiramdam doing that for ASAP natin to?
Oh my God.
Nag-iiyakan na po kami kanina sa...
After matapos.
Opo.
Nung pinipreview yung
Performances with the VTR.
Nakita niyo?
all the
Oo,
people.
nakita namin. Tapos Sheena got emotional, you know.
She made the choreo. Part. Tapos nakikita niya merong sa ibang bansa. Tapos hello yung mga kasama naming artist AC, Jella, Kuya Joao, Kuya Jason,
Ate Maymay.
Ate Maymay Darren. So parang grabe talaga.
Grabe. Parang naging iconic na yung dance.
Yes po.
Tapos parang, actually kanina may nag-send sa akin ng video from Australia. Yung One Take. The group's name is One Take. They're from Australia. And then they're doing the Pantropico dance in public. So, pero ang huling best na ginawa namin to was Tala. With Sarah Geronimo. Tala Day. Ang pangalawang nagkaroon ng ganyan is Bini.
Bakit? Patayin!
Ang feeling naman.
Nag-boom ba talaga?
Nagulat nga po kaming lahat na parang, oo nga, Tala yung last na ginawa nilang ng ASAP.
The second one is just this.
Yeah.
Grand Pantropico Day.